our channel Be Always Learner. Today we are starting the properties of unit impulse. First property is integration of xt delta t with respect to time, and limit varies from minus infinity to infinity, is equal to x0. It means we can say that the two signals are multiplied with each other. Here we can say the mathematical definition of delta t, which is a unit impulse signal, is 1 when t is equal to 0, and it is 0 when t is not equal to 0. So this is the property of unit impulse. Here we can say that xt, if xt is continuous at t is equal to 0, then we can define x0 at t is equal to 0. An impulse signal is existing only at t is equal to 0. It means we can write that xt is multiplied by delta t is equal to x0 delta t. It means the signal is only defined at t is equal to 0. Now we can write this equation like integration from minus infinity to infinity xt delta t with respect to time is equal to, after putting this portion, that integration minus infinity to infinity x0 and delta t dt. So here this x0 is having a constant value, it means we can just make the common x0 and integration of minus infinity to infinity delta t dt, and by definition this is equal to 1, so we can write x0 multiplied by 1 is equal to x0. Now we can write the identity like integration of xt delta t dt, where the limit varies from minus infinity to infinity, is equal to x0. So this is the first property, and that is the proof. And the second one is the second property is xt delta t minus t naught is equal to x t naught delta t minus t naught. This is the second property. Now in this property we know that delta t minus t naught is equal to 0 when t is equal to t naught. Sorry, it is 1 when t is equal to t naught, and it is 0 when t is not equal to t naught. So by definition we can write. So in the way we can also write that xt is continuous when t is equal to t naught. It means impulse exists only at t is equal to t naught. So if it is so, we can write this property directly, that xt delta t minus t naught is equal to xt naught delta t minus t naught. The next property in this sequence, the third one is integration minus infinity to infinity xt delta t minus t naught dt with respect to time, it is equal to x t naught. Now if it is so, then we can make it like integration of minus infinity to infinity xt delta t minus t naught dt is equal to, now it is again defined for said portion. By definition we can write that this delta t minus t naught is having value 1 when t is equal to t naught, and it is 0 when t is not equal to t naught. Now in the same way as in the previous case, we can write that x is continuous for t is equal to t naught. So we can write x t naught delta of t minus t naught bracket close dt. Now this function x t naught is a constant term, so we can write that integration from minus infinity to infinity, we can take x t naught common out of that, and we can write delta t minus t naught with respect to time, and we can have let t is equal to t naught plus delta. It means we can put t minus t naught is equal to lambda. So if it is so, then we can write t is equal to t naught plus lambda. We can take the derivative, that will be dt is equal to d lambda. So we can write this. After putting this value in this equation, we are having xt naught integration minus infinity to infinity delta lambda d lambda, and by definition we can write that this is equal to 1. So it means, this implies that this is equal to x t naught. So the last identity is hence proved, which is integration of xt with respect to time shift of impulse signal with the limit minus infinity to infinity is equal to x t naught. So this is the last identity we are having, right? So we can also elaborate one more identity here. This is the fourth one identity, that integration of x tau del t minus tau dt is equal to xt. Now this is a simple one. This is the combination of previous identities we are using. That the last identity we are having, just we are going to rewrite that, that is integration of minus infinity to infinity xt delta t minus t naught dt is equal to x t naught. This is the last identity we are having. So we can replace in this identity that t we can replace by tau and t naught by t. So we can write, after replacing, the integration minus infinity to infinity of x tau delta tau minus t dt is equal to xt. Fine. And by the property we can easily write that delta tau minus t is equal to delta t minus tau by even property of the impulse. By this we can proceed further. The limit of integration minus infinity to infinity x tau, we can write this by using property t minus tau is equal to xt. So by the previous property we can also have this property also. So these are the property of unit impulse signal. Hope you like the analysis. So please share this video and like and subscribe our channel.